Um, when Neema called me that you had been rushed to the hospital, I didn't care. And just before you start assuming things, I am not here for you. Not even for a minute. I am here for Neema, not for you. Looking at you in that bed, with almost no life left in it, so I kind of feel sorry for you. I do. But then I feel like you deserve it. Remember when my mom died? And my father's family got all that. Everyone knows that story. And you offered to take me up as your own. I was so happy. My favorite aunt. I thought I wasn't going to feel my mother's absence at all because she was your sister. Then I got to your house. And it was a nightmare. Well, why did you, am I supposed to say this in past tense? Why do you hate me, or why did you hate me? I never understood that. Why you would treat me so badly. Why it was such a struggle for you to even give me food. Why I went to the worst public schools and my cousins went to the best private schools. I could have gone to just, like a normal private school, like, just doesn't cost much. It didn't have to be like high end or anything. But no, that was going to be too much for an unwanted child that you were forced to take, huh? Because someone forced you to take me up, right? I remember everything you said without shame in front of my mother's casket. The way you were going to make sure I didn't feel the emptiness of not having a mother. But you know what, so I think it would have been better if you had left me there. If I had been stuck with those stuck up relatives on my father's side, rather than be this disappointed. And that time, I kept telling you Uncle Mark was being inappropriate with me. And you told me, unavaa nguo vibaya. I was only 12 years old. And you took advantage of me in your house, Mom. I don't even know why I still call you Mom. You're not my mother. And I told you about it. I told you. It was the worst thing that has ever happened to me. Apart from coming to live with you, of course. And you told me it was my fault. It was my fault. It was my fault that I got raped as a child. How does a 12-year-old seduce a 40-year-old man? Who in their right senses can be that twisted to think like that? You were supposed to protect me. But you didn't. And instead of just letting me be, you just had to make it so much harder for me. And and throwing me out on the streets when I was 16, wow, that was like the cherry on the cake. You really went and undid yourself. You know, I suffered. I went through a lot to get to the point that I am today. But I am thankful for you for that. I am grateful that you helped me grow up way faster than I should have, because I would not have had the same drive that I have to make it in life if you had not been who you are to me. I heard that you have cancer. And I heard that it's terminal, is it terminal or something like that? And I know I probably should not be talking to you about this. And no. Forgive me for this, but I don't really care about your apology. I don't care about what you have to say. I don't care that you are remorseful. Oh wait, you're remorseful because you're thinking if you die, you're probably going to hell because of what you have done in your life. So you want to apologize for it. No, I do not forgive you. Because you don't deserve it. Yeah, I know you think that maybe I am cold, but I had no time to develop emotionally or in any other way because I was trapped in your house. Trapped for years, trying to fight my way, trying to find love, trying to find everything that a child needs that you never gave me. This is your punishment, and I do not even know why you told Neema to call me. I don't know why you did that. I don't know if you're just cynical or just twisted. Because I don't want to see you. I never want to see you. And if it happens that you actually pass on to the other life, I hope you have an explanation for my mother. Because apart from everything that has hurt me, you have hurt me the most. And I know everyone chooses their path, and it might not be completely your fault that I am the person that I am today. I can't even express myself. But I know that you had something to do with it. And I'm sorry. I really wish I could forgive you for this. I wish I could just wake up one morning and just be like, you know what, this happened, and just let it just go. But then every single time I want to even have a relationship with a man, I see your husband.